I say good evening to everybody who have been locked this way. I say welcome down to the Open Live Show again. You know, it's one more week, one more edition. You know, the team is inside the building. You know, the team going, you know, the ball game going on. Well, I say big up all the people right now. We are watching Euros. We are cheering England, you know. They need a little support, I swear. Sterling alone I carry a team, you know. Boom. Big up Sterling still, you know. One more upon them. Lord God, them dead.
Did you just say boo?
Why not? Because I feel like I'm watching England, I drop asleep.
England.
What do you say, them boring?
You know, so England come like one big old sleeping pill. And you just want to sleep, you just watch a game. In a real life.
Boris Johnson, like Rick said, remember me not...
Anyways.
Me just attack, you know, remember me not too good over here, you know.
No,
so when
listen, you have to talk, listen, Mr. Man talk truth.
Rick legal, you know, remember me illegal, you know, Boris, me and him now.
We say a pretty well.
Alright.
First and foremost, Kane not supposed to play because he's in white.
First and foremost.
And it's obvious.
First and foremost.
Good forward. Rasta start the show.
First and foremost, good evening to everybody that is tuned in on our live this evening on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for joining us. You know we are the Up and Live Show team. We're here with Twitter between 9 and 11 on TGM Radio, and we're sponsored by Shish Print. And as per usual, we carry, you know, we're forwarding with a bag of people.
Yeah.
Top of the top tier, top things, top and top and top and top. You understand? So if you're joining us for the first time, thank you for joining us. If not, thank you for forwarding again. You know, we got all our vibes. Like the video. Can you like the video? Yeah, you can heart the video. You know, at this part of the video, you know, the square there, that's at the heart there. So press it up, yeah, and share the link. Share the link. You know why? Because the host of the most is here. She's in the wings. You know, she's excited to be here this evening, and we're excited to have her in studio. So it's going to be a great show. So share the link. Share the link. Share the link. Yeah, we're got a decent show.
All right, we start now, right?
Yeah, you can continue, cousin.
Few things, cause them jump on my chest. I feel like me just want to talk to them.
Who jump on your chest now?
Let me deal with England first. England.
Yes.
Boring.
Yeah.
First
with the game.
Yeah, the game boring, and I'm gonna try to make a point with our game. Good forward there, but there's a time and place for everything, right? Mm-hmm. So you know, so when time it rain, you use raincoat, you use umbrella, or something to go over your shelter. You can't use puffer jacket in the sun.
Yeah.
You see, so when the game play a certain way, you need certain players, you adjust to it. So
yeah, kind of boring for me too.
Exactly.
I never like when they
fall
play.
asleep. So England.
Although me that watch it side-eyed still, but yeah, I never like when they play.
What I realize with the England football team,
yeah,
they are very good players, but the coach need to go. So
but he's not even the coach.
No, listen. He's the coach. He's the one who select the players. He select the team sheet.
But he's doing better than the rest of coach than before.
So get pick the right team because alright. Remember you have Marcus Rashford. See how much game England play now?
This is second one.
Third game.
Yeah.
Marcus Rashford haven't featured in none of them. Hurricane now go out with nothing. See, look on Saka. Saka, this is his first game featuring. And look how Saka go on. Look how Saka I keep the ball rolling. Like it's a like a balance because some of my time may I watch a game and may I say, yo, Euros have 5 substitution, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
The rule change because Euros them get 5. Because obviously it come just on the back of the Premier League and the French League and the rest of the league.
Right. The 5, yeah. The best thing that happened to the world.
So 5 substitution. It's a money I use 1 or 2. Remember you have depths in our squad, you know. So you have to rotate the player them because players are tired because you know exactly. The league that one there.
And the Premier League finished with that bang of what players that play excessive games. So you have to take that into account as well. So
yeah,
they might try in best, but I hopefully moving forward the second round.
It's still one.
No, they have to make it. They qualify already. They already qualified by default. They only fighting for first place now, but they have already passed through. Anyway, we don't want to waste time.
Alright, we not talk about England. Alright.
Sure.
This is something I want to bring up from what here. Because it come to my attention earlier on today. It's not a really big topic, but I'm just thinking about all the teachers in Jamaica cope with the nowadays kids them.
Mm-hmm.
Think about as a teacher, I teach in a classroom, him can't even talk or him go to college for learn to talk. You know? Because if him say, alright, Sasha, could you come to the board? They must say, hello teacher, why? Come to where? So every little thing like a teacher explain, you have to be politically correct because this is our
That's what the generation is.
Great. So, would I like if you have a city in a classroom to see how it is now, how different it is
Everything
from my
is
days.
on Zoom still.
No, but this is the thing.
Everything's still up on Zoom.
Everything is contextualized because most of the things that we say and when I like for one guy, but me enough time I say me two.
No, no man can't burn you, girl.
All right, yeah.
See,
it?
perfect
Exactly.
example.
Then that we have to can't.
Sorry, you see,
girl, brother.
You see that narrative? It only we only subscribe to that if you're in a certain environment.
Circle or environment, but it has filtered over
What-
into
what-
But it's
classrooms.
not supposed
Once you're
to
Jamaican,
filter.
hold on now.
No.
Let me
But
tell
this
you
this is the problem. This is what we have. I keep on telling you about cultural things that is passed on and norms that happen in communities that people pick up. Not because it hype on it and it popular, that means it's right. There's a whole heap of things in our music as well. The same thing spill over right now, the same gelding argument. But this little brother at every man across the man say, hey boy, no, you
pick
are
me,
gelding. You
go
see what the
to
gelding go
gelding
do? Him feel like him a gelding and he go kill off him baby
The
mother because
pregnant-
he's
So is that the reason why
So
he
him
killed
can't
her?
feel like saying a girl in and kill her. That don't make no sense.
Wait,
Hold on.
Hold on.
Now we are move over that too much.
No,
things.
yeah.
Wait, I think.
Wait.
Wait, hold on. The conversation just got intertwined really fast.
No.
Stop. We're talking about the cultural
but it's
language and things.
uh-huh.
It's spilling over into various areas.
So it doesn't. All right, let's go back to what I said. It's not supposed to spill over because people have to understand real life versus gimmicks and versus social spaces. For instance, if you're an actor, you go to work and you do a certain, you be a character,
Right.
and when you come home back, you're still gonna be Rick.
Right.
When I come here, so
Right.
with the music, I
No,
was
when
a
you follow
DJ.
that, so.
Yeah, God.
Yeah, just
Because
make him
I saw-
explain him point.
With the DJ Rick, with the upper live with
Right.
the music.
But when you're at home, it's Rick.
I'm look at that, and my son
It's Rick.
jump
It's
up
daddy.
on me. Different
It's daddy.
vibes. So this is the same thing when you come about to the conversation and the narrative of people speaking terms and slangs. Me know something at a party, yo, walk on me daddy.
Right.
Pick up yourself, yo. I don't speak like that when I'm home.
Right.
So it's the same thing. If you are going to try to use a certain way of speeches and you're born this amount that, you must understand that it's the language of the street. And when you're going for a formal settings, you do not carry over. When you're in a classroom, you do not do that because what's going to happen is that it's going to impact on your life moving forward in your professional life.
Right.
You can't get a sensible job because you go to the interview and say,
Let me,
yo,
uh,
daddy.
But hold on.
Hold on, Rick.
Can
Hold on,
I
Rasta,
can I
before
give a
me-
response?
When
All
I
right, go
respond,
ahead,
I mean,
go
Rick
ahead.
have that. I show this, I know.
Yeah, but
So, hold on. When I give that response, Rick, you know, in every classroom, you have a class clone, right?
Yeah.
You have people trying to be no, I shouldn't even say funny, comical.
You see, you can't even explain yourself because you're trying
You
to
have,
be politically correct.
No, it's English. You have so many words that can substitute words for. You have people trying to be comical.
What's the point of language? For people to understand what you're saying.
No.
It doesn't matter what
it get
word
you
you
thinking,
use.
It get you thinking and broaden your horizon. So some of the time you could substitute a lot of word in English language because we are too one-sided, especially as Jamaican. And the thing what we are looking at now, we are talking about cultural difference and this and that between formal and this. It's just a phase, and you have to think about it. Every generation, you have to leave your mark on your culture or your mark and say, at this point was doing this, and remember them time I went at this that beat or that happened.
That's culture. That's accepted.
If the generation
classroom.
now do different thing, that means something is wrong. You see, as much as we don't like certain thing in terms of even the music, all the music has changed.
Yeah, but
And changing is something where a lot of us don't recognize anymore.
right.
We still have to accept it because remember last year and them time then they must say, oh, trap dancehall, everybody. And you know some people are bunny out and I say, yo, I'm not trap dancehall. When I have to understand and accept certain things, say, yo, over the years, you have to accept changes and adapt to things. If we don't change and adapt, that means that the music is stagnant or anything in life is stagnant. If I water in one place for too long, it all gets stink.
All right, Rasta,
Can I give a response
Yeah.
to the point where the guy goes to the interview and says Wagwan daddy? Like, that's a personal thing because if you're going to an interview, you must know how to conduct yourself. You must know how to conduct yourself. There's a time and place for everything. So I don't expect a man to go interview and say and go in the room and have a seat.
Well, the world is changing
No.
now.
But then again, you can also look at it. Fair point. You can also look at it on the type of interview and the type of place. But if you're sensible, you want to make sure that you are putting yourself out there in a positive light. Still being yourself. If you're a down-to-earth person, you're not going to change who you are. But there's a time and place for everything.
But
and I
talking
think
about classroom. That's why
I know, but I'm just saying. You brought up the professional space. That's what I'm responding
classroom
to.
ain't professional. It's kids going to school.
No, but classroom
still,
is
it still
training
has-
for a professional setting. It is a training environment. So
Ricky,
you're
you remember how
almost,
school go? We all been chatting and teacher fling dust after we are.
yeah, but that's what
when
it's just in training. So when you go up on a pitch, look, England play now, Euro now, you're seeing the best of
Yeah.
players now getting picked. When them are train, they have on dirty shots and this and
I don't
that.
know about the dirty shots business.
Yeah, no God. What me I try to show you in trying to get yourself trained, you're not gonna be looking polished and everything. So the classroom is a place where you go for
That's your
training.
learning. That's a part of your learning ground.
Your
so.
learning ground. So
Yeah.
I an idea. Me have to just say because obviously me's a 90s kid. Ricky old me.
yeah.
Rasta
really
in the
much so.
90s. But an idea we have to adapt to certain things because remember back in the days when we just start look work, you'd have to go formal as there is.
Yeah.
Jacket suit and this and man no bother with them sit there man just put on one nice little jeans, one dress
But
shirt
it
and make
depends on where you're
Hold
going. You
on,
can't
hold
do
on.
that everywhere.
Hold on. Your fashion dress certain way. A jeans pants can look nice and formal. Listen what me I say. Listen what I'm saying. It can look nice and formal.
But that's
Depends on what you're wearing to
all
it.
right. So,
So just like a certain thing, sometimes you go on an interview, and because it's not a we call it a high paying job, you see somebody like in a 3-piece suit, you probably laugh to yourself and say I'm overdressed for it.
Yes, but you don't have to go in
So,
jeans.
You don't have to go in jeans.
And it all depends on
That's-
where you're going as well.
Let me explain now. You dress appropriate to the thing. You don't look too casual. You look a bit formal. You ever hear about the thing what them call semi-formal? Because back in the days you never have that, right? Semi-formal. So just like when we are talking about the language and the slang that we are using now,
Right.
as long as it's acceptable or it's clear understanding
Right.
of the initiative where you want to bring across to the employee
Right.
or wherever you're going to, I think it's acceptable.
all right,
Yeah, but
because
it depends
nowadays-
on the job that you're going for.
Nowadays, you go to an interview and it don't conduct like back in the days. No man have no. Very few people have big checklists and them are tick the box them and ask you certain question of the paper.
It depends on where you're going for the interview.
I'm saying it's very
yeah.
few.
Yeah.
What-
Because people realize now people are tech savvy. These questions is been posted online.
Yeah.
These answers has been posted. So people are get tech savvy. People just want to have a general conversation with you to
Alright.
find out who you are.
So Dragon, so this is why me stop getting an argument with people over like artists in terms of what song they want to do and tell them what to do. Because if you are gonna have a product and you sell your product, you must decide to do your research and realize who's gonna buy that
And
product.
what your target market
And your
is going to
target
be.
market is. So if you're gonna do a song and you're gonna decide so the song that you're doing, you want it to reach everybody. And you want everyone, you want big numbers on this song. But the song that you're doing is only catered for a particular subsector of the market. How the hell are you gonna sell the big quota where you look for if you're only catering for a small portion of the market? So in terms of the trap dancehall versus the original dancehall,
Right.
I don't even argue with people. I tell people to do old dancehall. I would do whatever you want, but understand this: whenever you get your return is what you work for. So whatever you market towards, understand, say, if you are market to 5 people and there is 100 people available, understand that you're likely to get 3 out of the 5. That's just realistically thinking. So don't be upset when you don't get 95 people out of the 100.
And-
just all right with the 3 where you get and
Right.
satisfy. Good.
And that can also be a motivation, and we've said it on several occasions. That can be your motivation for your next project, for push harder, because you use that as a learning curve.
Yeah.
You see where you went wrong, you see where you fell short, and you go back to the drawing board.
Me, I was a thing for the future.
Yeah,
My
yeah,
aspect
exactly.
different from phone car. You know. I remember back in the days when you remember me just forward there?
Yeah.
And like remember Serato.
Remember the first day when I reach ya?
Serato, them
You see, well, I know you see him.
Alright.
Listen, when him just reach England, remember no, me there run him from there now,
Yeah.
and him stubborn, you know. You see, realize how him change now, and adjust to England.
Adjust
and
to
you
what?
See, oh, you mean adjust
In
to
what
what?
sense?
How you play and all right. Dragon may have that conversation and Wally. When Dragon just forward, Dragon play like him there, a Gardner, Shelly dance.
But
See,
what
mad one there with me. Listen, let me talk.
That's that thing you have to adjust to that. But
But exactly,
I'm saying,
exactly.
I'm always thinking to the future because obviously people adapt to when I do. Because when I come here, style I come here with, them never too ready for it yet, right?
Exactly.
You
That's
see-
what I was
see-
telling you.
You see,
Yeah.
I run the dance over here now.
Yeah.
Watch what go on. Remember when I come here with a laptop and we play Serato and thing, And the man with them CD, them a cuss every time. Yo, I pull up his sound every time I put on this. And them a cuss on the laptop selector, on a laptop DJ. We don't know nothing about them sitting there. And on the laptop, you can't mix band. And this and that. I don't ever play vinyl, I don't ever do this and do that.
All right, Jack, with your iPad.
Everybody
get the picture.
Everybody have laptop now. Everybody. If you not, you have to work here every CD box. Me I tell them say, yo, I saw you go, cause more when I come here, Rick, you know what thing go. Sometimes we are go some place. And we are go dance after dance.
Where Bread's there? Bread's there on the live?
Bread said why a while ago.
Oh, Breads. You can't.
Me didn't just expect you to say something, you know.
I never see him.
Now go talk to Breads.
I was waiting to hear
Breads,
something from Bread.
Breads. Sunday gone.
What?
Because Gillian train make every stop in here. Stop at your stop.
Me not think.
Breads.
Let's get back to formalities.
Yes, let's get back. You made a statement about the guy that stabbed. Did he kill her? Killed the pregnant woman.
The alleged conversation is that he was having a conversation with his friends, among friends, and they were cussing him and say, boy, you know, say you still get them because
the baby not born.
Baby, when you get now, the girl when you get pregnant is a jacket. Right. So that's what the friends were jeering him.
And that propelled him
he
to
left and go home with an argument with the baby mother over the same thing.
Right.
Remember, this is alleged, it's not concrete.
Okay.
So it led him to have a serious
altercation
with the lady, and then him stab her.
Okay.
So now my microphone just turned on. I hear myself all of a sudden. Is it loud inside here?
We can hear you.
I can see it.
We can hear. I can see clearly.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway.
But anyway, that was the case. So him
go ahead.
Him go home, fight with the girl, stab her, kill her. Community mob him. Police come to take him away. Police took him away, and then he killed himself in prison.
He's not dead.
He's not dead.
No.
He tried to kill himself.
He tried. We saw him. I saw a video of him.
Let me give the source.
Go on Pink Wall page, dog.
You never hear about something I seen?
He's not dead.
The brother, where kill himself and kill a girl.
Yeah.
And them ask what happened. Them say, oh, him kill himself and kill a girl. And them say, he try and kill himself, but he ain't dead, so him kill a girl. And then kill himself back.
Idiot. But what I'm saying is, like, you in 2021 are going to make man propel you for foolishness.
Obviously,
it's peer pressure.
No.
It doesn't matter, dog.
This probably sound bad because somebody get hurt or injury and everything. But that have to say a lot about somebody's character. If
understandable,
somebody could point that finger on you and it's believable, because if your character is in good health and good wealth, them can't find certain things for you. Because if somebody look at me and say, oh, Dragon a batty boy, you can say, go and go suck your mama.
You know it's not true.
So everybody knows
you know who you are.
From that. So that can't stick.
Yeah, I got
it. Can't stick. No,
because you know you're confident of yourself and you know who you are. So whatever they say,
let's clear the story.
Really.
It says here
in the news. It says he's dead.
In the news, Jamaica Observer says that slain woman mother is happy, killer is dead. So declaring that Sylvia Mackay, the mother of the Tashika Mackay, whose throat was slashed by her boyfriend Markland Hales on Sunday afternoon, says she is relieved at the police reports that he has held. He had taken his own life. So this is what the Observer, I don't know if it's fake news.
What time was that?
And this was posted on the 22nd.
Which is today?
Yes.
How many hours ago?
Let me give you the exact update. It doesn't give me the exact time.
Okay,
posted,
so you know that social media is running the place nowadays. I can show you the video now. See there? The people in Marcos say, you see him laying down on the ground there, so?
Yeah.
Right. The man did. This is what social media is telling us. So, me not know.
Social media normally more accurate than the news.
That's what I'm saying. Remember, said them normally forward off and
get
the information from what is out there. What is the different information you heard, Madwan?
Yes, it's a different baby mother cut him short, and the kid says not that man cut him short.
And then,
daddy.
Oh, okay.
The father. Oh, okay.
So are the original.
There is.
Want to know when Jamaica talks something?
Jesus.
If I know it's truth,
it close to go so.
Close to the truth.
But the problem is now the news source. You see this social media and the news is kind of getting everything tumbled, because right now you don't even know what to believe. Because a credible site like the Observer of Jamaica, I think they're
me know them not credible. Not never in your community, and when them write it up and post it, you see, I know so you go.
Yeah, but at least they didn't. I've never seen them so far from
and TVJ, CVM, Star, Gleaner. None of them is not credible to me.
Okay.
They talk something near to the truth because they never ever talk the truth. I see things happen with my eyes before. And when them put it out, it's a total different mix and match them give you.
So the point leads is the conversation of calling person gelding. Is it
That not give nobody no right for kill nobody.
you not get about yo,
It
it's,
does
You
No, it
don't.
doesn't-
Nobody
it's
has.
a thing where going to Jamaica. It's like a
Authority.
tradition. When
Yeah.
fathers are come around, any man when I'm not pitting
Them normally get jeered, yes, but that should not. It leads back to the point. If
Remember-
you know your hold on, if you know who you are, you know your character, you're sure of yourself. No man can propel you. For
Every
go,
man that
for
get
go,
in one day.
no, nobody's not supposed to get inside of your head, dog.
At
So
some
that's a
point in
waste.
them
That's
life.
a waste man thing.
You can just get to be
That's a waste man thing.
some are weak?
Women are not possession.
Yeah.
Women are not people's properties. You don't own nobody.
What you say?
You don't. You really want to choose violence today, sir? You're choosing violence.
I won't
We
comment.
we don't belong to people. You understand? So you don't have no right to take away somebody's life, and that is where I will leave it.
So we're not going to go in front of the pastor and say, no, I do you have for me and
yes,
me for
but
you.
even
No,
though
that,
we're
that woman go say,
anyway.
me ask you, that woman, that's why I not believe in a marriage something, you know. And that's
Moving
going
right
in front of the
along.
pastor and say, you have
Moving.
for me and me have for you and that's something there.
Right along.
Me ask you, what until death do us part.
Yes, we're in a partnership until death do us part.
So that's why a man say, the woman name up here all of him and the bargain, you know.
But were they married? Are they married?
Me
But
no know.
even if they're married, you don't have authority to take people's life.
Me
That's
not
my-
talk-
that's
me
my
not talk about the
stance.
killing. I'm just saying, apart about a man own a woman.
Yeah, them not own each other.
Cause I swear if a man could have take off a girl crutches and when she got a road, he take it off and when she come back, he
She
give
give,
it.
like this video.
And I see him so with that woman and them man if you would could have screw off, you should have screw it off every time you got a road. You couldn't get no crutches.
Like me see one video, one man, like him and him woman the home, and him woman say, "Alright then, babe, I'm going out now. See you later." She don't want pum pum shots.
Eh.
Him say, "Leave it on the table.
Well,
Leave
you
it.
put
Leave
me
it right there.
Let's
If
discuss.
not, leave it in the house. Yeah, go
Hold
ahead.
on. The Father's Day concept.
Yes.
Was it all that it was meant to be, or was it supported?
Well,
Let's-
Unfortunately, it wasn't
yeah.
as per usual.
Because
And
we get for Father's Day. Let me talk a bit. Because we are daddy. We get for Father's Day.
You know my Father's Day, all right.
it did nice.
Yeah, cause me look at data.
Me not feel like them go all out for me. feel like fuck we go on.
No, me not gonna complain. Me get a
Oh
whole
God.
me get a whole heap of things.
Jaja.
Me get proper treatment. So
Me get some things and you know, me not really get nothing what me really like still, you know, cause me a hint.
But at the end of the day,
Yeah.
you spent time with your children. That's the most important thing.
Me Rasta we not talk about Father's Day, we talk about gift, cause when Mother's Day come around.
me wouldn't know still.
Alright. So
Wouldn't
Rick, me never feel pleased, you know. I get a couple little trinket, you know, and little something. And the best thing when them give me one back like I cover I NOC.
But what
Oh, yeah, 'cause you know
I
Alright.
mean, just pull it and start drinking because I say like everything is a fuck, you know. Cause you see, me tell them every year, you know, say yo, see the card,
Don't give me.
I'm not buying me no card.
Jesus.
cause as me get him, me do like so, whoops.
Put it on.
I me don't know what it is. Don't buy me no card. Tell me your Father's Day and something. Cause me I hint and me I say yo, want a new headphone still, you know. Want a new headphone and that me I go for more my headphone. Me I say like, can't hear nobody in any time they call me now. Me I hint. Me get couple of good trinket, me get couple of suit of clothes, but me I say at the moment me no short of clothes because me about 2 years of clothes put on. But we'll see that till Jamaica. We tap. Me I say like couple two, 3 new suits. You know them crisp and nice and thing, but you know.
But
They want a new clothes now.
But there are good fathers.
Of course,
out
they're
there.
holy for good
And
fathers.
I think some of the mothers them go above and beyond because I have to big up my missus. She did go on with herself. Yeah. And the youth them and they bring me for one little fake shopping. Me don't know where I go on, but
They ask for money and carry out and spend your
but
money.
No, me not tell her. You see me have to big up my missus. You know. When she come and when she ready to spend, she's a girl who spend unreservedly. Sometimes she spend too much and me's a man. Cause me's a man. I hate shopping with a passion. I hate go anywhere near shop. The only thing I like go
Buy
buy.
alcohol. A joke.
Yes.
A true.
I go buy rum and I go buy one bun and cheese. All right. Me no want buy on this shop. Everything.
Order online.
Me say this proud. Nothing what me have as man. Me buy that at you. Every other piece of clothes that me have. And my woman buy it for me. My wife buy it for me. Me not like shop. I hate shopping with a price. You see online. You know like more one look at USB something for
You know your basket still.
But
me not like
me don't know
press.
what kind of man it be, you know.
Me not like shop dog. I hate
No,
shop.
In
Yes,
a
yes,
rip
see
basket for about 3
because,
months.
yes, because I'm so picky with shit.
Me
Especially
not picky.
clothes. You have to kind of so me I look pan. I mean, a boy. Me like look. Me look pan things for a while before me buy it. Cause me no want buy it and say, yo, fucking hell, me buy it. Yo, me usually do that whole heap, you know. No. So my time I just buy something and I say, fucking hell, them say it's a small, they come like it's a large, brother.
Fam. Right now, I have one bag of clothes in my closet where I buy, not even me buy, my missus buy, and it's the wrong size. Because you see me get big.
COVID quarantine.
And they're too small. I mean, I carry them back.
Makes
you know
you glad all the time. You can't relate.
Yo, people, here I know. If you want to get for Father's Day, because I feel away, I don't want flowers and beatings.
I feel, what?
Flowers.
You want?
Flowers.
Not a pen and paper.
Listen, my man. Then why we can't buy it for man? Why we can't do the same?
Because all you gotta do, you see the same thing when you do the card.
No,
you gotta look on it and throw it down.
Smell the flowers and say it smell nice and look nice.
You don't go in your park?
Put it on my living room table in my vase and look on, you know. What me you do with the card?
You can put it on your banister and look at it and remember the time that you got the card. Because by 2 days time the roses, the flowers ain't gone in their bin.
Is that right?
It's not okay.
Card of paper.
Which is more durable than the flowers where you gonna get. Unless you get the fake ones. I'm sure knowing you and the type of person.
You know the card is a flyer, don't like
yes, I remember.
When
so
I get
you
in
will
one
remember.
Party, when I get a flyer in one party, we take you and do like so, don't.
Yeah.
You not even look what they pan.
Actually, I don't normally take them because
Anyway, me think that conversation
it's taken I'd left her. But ladies and gentlemen, it's 8 minutes to the hour of 10 o'clock. Yeah. This is your Up and Live Show team. We are here every Tuesday between 9 and 11 on TGM Radio. We are sponsored by Shush Prince, and we will be speaking to the lovely.
What's your name again?
Lovely.
You know what's your name?
The lovely lady called Sasha, the host with the most, is here. I got chat about things.
When people know what's going on this weekend, place them can head over to.
But this weekend,
can look out for.
Okay, so this weekend, road open. Don't know the things yet. This weekend is the weekend of the 25th and the 26th, right? Remind me if I'm wrong. Yes, 25th, 26th. So Friday the 25th of June 2021, Cracker Barber Promotions presents Part 7 of Pure Energy, the Sexy and Seductive Edition, at a location to be announced. Food and top-up drinks on sale. Headphones will be £20. For more information, you can call 079-495-38345, as well as, give me a minute. This Sunday, the 27th of June, it's a reloaded version with Smile With Them promotion presents Bright Big Backyard. It's a back garden in South Norwood. Music will be provided by Andrew Fresh and the Black Knight Zone. Feeder by Ropes. Food and drinks on sale. Bouncy Castle for the kids. More information to come soon. You don't know, say, I want headphone style party. Yeah. 2 events that we definitely have to big up. Not happening this weekend, but we are proud sponsors of the event. Happening on the 25th of July. DWI Promotion and Unexpected Events presents Magnum Fridays Late Brunch, which will be hosted by Gallison Paris and Mark and Chrissy British. The venue location is on the tickets. It's going to be from 4 p.m. till 10 p.m. Make sure to forward out and get your tickets. The Up and Live Show team will be there to support Breadbat and the Magnum Fridays team. Big up yourselves. If you need more information, just jump in the DMs to get more details on that. And then M2K Entertainment presents Park and Lime in August. I know it's far, but you don't know. August 28th at Sandybrook Fields. So jump into them DMs and get the necessary information. Whole heap of other parties going to be happening this weekend.
One more addition.
Whole heap of party.
Whole heap of party.
One more addition update.
3rd of July.
Give me a chance, no man.
Yeah.
Don't forget the 3rd of July. We'll be celebrating DJ Rick's Earth Strong at a location to be announced. Don't worry, just jump in our DMs. Or are you going to give us an update now?
Sorry.
Yeah, we're changing it to.
We're changing the location.
We're giving it to a garden party style. Because we have a nice proper land so we are used. We have to just be sensible. Because I was going to use a
backyard.
Club. And the club is giving me
warm time.
The capacity was something like 150. I know you might tell me say 30 to 35.
No, we can't work with that something there.
So yeah.
So 3rd of July, it doesn't matter where it's going to be hosted. Just if you need, just drop one DM at our personal pages, the business page, or DJ Rick's page. Just support everybody. Go out and have a fun time this weekend, especially Saturday night. Saturday night full of party. I mean, you can pick, choose, and refuse. go out to the social media platforms them and support. So we'll we'll definitely see some people over the weekend. Definitely.
This weekend we outside in the street, right?
Yes, definitely.
Tune in for the social media for more details, people. Out there like a wide line. In the meantime, we're just gonna play some song. After that, you have the host with the most.
We're gonna talk to Sasha. Listen, the people that are on the live right now, if you have questions you wanna ask Sasha, because this is not gonna be one of them interviews that we just be casual. She's gonna be grilled today. Yeah,
we're just
so
going to have a conversation. She
nice
feels.
no.
You know what she say. She wanna which question Dragon have line up fair. No,
people.
Hold on.
Something where you want to ask her a long time.
Drop it in the comments and make us ask
it. Drop it because you know me not care, Me not care.
We care zero.
Keep it locked.
Yeah.
Keep it locked. Yeah. All right, let's go.